Yeah.
10 to 100 and then close the bracket.
Yeah.
Close the bracket and then enter key.
Yeah.
But it's not coming.
You can just show here. You can just see here. Just select the cells.
First need to select the cell.
Yeah, first of all you have to select the cells, and after that you'll have to apply this formula equal rand and equal rand between. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
understood.
then open your bracket and type 10 and comma 100. So it will take the range from 10 to 100. Okay, and then press control key and hold your this control key and press enter key. So you can see here all of the dummy data, all of the dummy numbers will be present here. After that just select your data, just select your numbers and copy these numbers, control plus C, just press control plus C. After that then press right button from the mouse and then go to paste special. You have some options here, paste special. Paste or paste special is a different things. Just go to paste special and click here this option paste special, and it will display a dialog box here. Just click here values, just select this option values and then click OK. Then now all of the data, all of the numbers will be fixed. So when I change the number, suppose that this is the 70 numbers and here I am going to type 85 numbers. You can see here after putting this value, you can see there is nothing changes in my all numbers. When I press enter key, you can see here in English 12 number is available again and again, and all of the data. Just just fix the numbers after applying this formula. Okay, and now I'm going to check the some function formula to count these numbers. Equal sum bracket open. Our first number is present with the cell address B2. So now I'm going to select a range B2 colon F2. Okay, then press bracket key. Yeah, then close your bracket and press enter key. Okay, you can practice, you can do practice with my साथ साथ में.
Just give me one moment. Let me try once this one.
Yeah. Do you have any doubt? You can share your screen after I will explain. Just this is the option of share screen. You are presenting here. When you click here, I'm going to stop presenting. After that, again I'm going to click here, and after that you can just select entire screen and then click here. After that, share. Just click here share button.
The screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bracket 10 to 100 and then close the bracket, control, and oh my god.
What's the problem? What happened?
No, it's my mistake.
So that's why I'm going to say, please share your screen. Then
I understand.
I'll resolve this problem.
Oh yes, I got it. And after that I will copy these numbers, right?
Yeah.
Copy this number and then
again press right button from the mouse.
Right button from the special.
Yeah. Then this option will be highlight.
Yes, paste special is there, and then I will go to
in paste special. In paste special, there is a drop down list, when you select your numbers and just press Ctrl plus C to copy these things and press right button from the mouse, you can see here, then it will display the drop down list. And
Yeah, drop down
when you
list,
move
and
your
then-
cursor here, paste special, then go to this option, paste special, and
Paste
then
special. Okay, and then okay.
and then just click here, it will display a dialog box of the paste
Value.
special, and choose this option values. Okay,
And then okay, God.
yeah, then you can press just OK.
Okay.
So now
done.
yeah, so now these numbers are fixed.
Yes.
Okay, so now after that I did complete this total numbers of all these candidates. Just I'm going to calculate another things of percentage. So I'll have to
After this, I have to this total.
yeah, no, I already did this total function formula. You can just see here, you can just see here this there is a there is nothing display because I did also select this column also, so that's why it will not display the formula. So how we can change the format? Just select the cells and copy these cells and just press right button from the mouse, then go to paste special and then go to paste special and just choose this option all. Okay, and then click OK, and after that just 1 second, copy, go to paste special, then go to paste special. Yeah, I'll have to select second number option. This is the formulas option. When you click here in this radio button and then click OK, then after that oh my god, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, you can see here, this is the sum function formula to count these numbers equal sum. Sum is a function formula in Excel, and here we can select the range. So that's why our our beginning
Yes,
numbers
okay, then equal
Yeah.
sum.
equal sum B2 colon F2. This is the beginning
open
marks.
bracket,
Yeah, this is the beginning. Okay.
B2,
B2, yeah.
B2, and then C2, D2.
No.
E. Not select.
No, you can just type the range. You can just type the range, and also you can select the range, because if you type equal sum B2 colon C2 colon D2, so this is the not a correct process to calculate numbers. You can just type equal sum, open your bracket, and just select the cells. You can just
Open bracket.
you can just select the range B2 C2 D2 E2 F2. Okay.
Yes. I just select the range.
Yeah.
And then
Select the range and close your bracket and press enter key.
press
Yeah.
close the bracket and then
Press enter key. Yeah.
Oh, not coming.
Can you share me your screen, because I want to check what is the problem in your formula. You can just press here. This is the option of screen sharing.
Because I'm using this on my phone only, and
Oh my
laptop
God.
I did not connect it with that.
Oh my god. In mobile phone, here is some different features and different options too. Don't worry. I'm already recording this file, then I'll send you. You can do practice again and again.
Okay, please go ahead.
Yeah. You can just type this formula equal sum, open your bracket, click here. Okay. You can just click here B2. After that, just select the range. You can just press left button from the mouse and hold this left button and drag this. When you drag this, so this is the process of B2 colon F2. You can see here is a formula also equal sum. This is the range B2 colon F2. B2 is the beginning B2 is the beginning cell address of the marks. Marks number is 85 and the last marks is 40. Okay, then press enter key. After that we will also check how what's the percentage of all these student. Just type equal and select the this cell address, because this is the total amount, this is the total marks. You can just type equal, open your bracket and then type G2. G2 belongs to this marks 237. Then just press forward slash. This is the forward slash. It also used in a divide. You can just type 5. Okay, 5 means we have 5 subjects and each and every subjects have 100 numbers included. So that's why I'll have to type divide by 5. Yeah. What? I'm taking class. Vishal sir here. Vishal sir, where is the Vishal? Okay, no issue. Thank you. Bye. Equal G2 divide by 5. After that, close the bracket and then press enter key. So now we get these numbers. After getting these numbers, you can just click here, double click. So after that, all of the numbers, all of the student will get all of the percentages. Okay. After that, you can, any doubts here, you can ask me.
G2, okay. And then 5, from where it comes 5?
G2 divide by 5. From your keyboard, you can see this is the symbol of forward slash.
Yes, I'm saying why it's 5.
5 means we have only 5 subjects here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So that's why I wrote it here.
Okay.
And close your bracket and press enter key. So now we got this marks of Mr. Ankit. Okay. After that, I'll have to check division. Whose student got first division, second division, third division and fail. So we use some conditions from because each and every people and each and every students are not perfect. Some students are weak in study and some students are very high level IQ level, I think most of the students. So now I'm going to type some function formula equal if. If means it is a condition. So in 10th exam and 12th exam, some conditions apply, like equal if G2 greater than equal 300. Suppose that some students, suppose that here is a student name is Ankit, and suppose that he will got 300 marks. So that's why he pass out with first division. Okay. Equal if G2 greater than equal 300. That means suppose that this cell address. So this is the marks of 237. Okay. And this cell address is G2. Okay. We can also type number here. Equal if 237 greater than equal 300. So it is the better possibility to apply cell address, because yeah, equal if G2 means 237. Okay. Equal if G2 greater than equal 300. Okay. It means if this cell is greater than 300 numbers. Okay. So then we will print the message first division. Okay. After that, I'm going to type comma. Then again, I applying some different conditions. If G2 greater than equal 250. Okay. If G2 greater than equal 250, that means if G2 means 237. If this number is greater than 250, then it will display the message second division. Okay. Hello.
Yes, I can.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Then again I'm going to type our third condition. If G2 greater than equal 150, then press comma, then apply double quotes. Here I'm going to display some message. So now I'm going to type a third division. Close your this double quote. This is the beginning, this is the close, because this is the string value. So that's why I'm going to apply this option. Okay, I already did this. Then our last condition is if G2 less than 150. If G2 less than 150, that means 237 numbers is less than 150. Suppose that, so it will display the message is fail because it doesn't meet the condition. Okay. Then close your bracket 4 times because I'm already opening this bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just close your bracket 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then press enter key. We will get this division third. Okay, because percentage is 47.4, and just double click here on this edging corner. Just double click here. You can see here we will get another numbers, another divisions. Okay, so I'm going to open this formula. You can see here, do you have any things, you have any doubts here?
If G2 greater than 300.
Yeah.
If G2 greater 250, 250 approve. If G2 greater 150, third 52, lesser 150, fail. Okay.
No issue?
Okay, please.
Okay, I'm going to just type enter key. It will display the division of these candidates. Okay, and after that, okay, yeah. So this is enough for a basic mark sheet. Okay, and I'm going to use VLOOKUP function formula in this sheet.
I'm still confused about that percentage.
Okay, I'm going to again open this function formula. Here you can see how to calculate percentage, because percentage works with only a total number. So you can just type a formula equal, open your bracket, G2. G2 means 237. 237 divided by 5.
Equal.
Yeah. Equal G2 divided by 5.
Divide by 5.
Yeah.
No?
Equal G2 divided by 5.
Mine is 1.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
Equal G2 divided by 5.
And then close the bracket.
Yeah. And then press enter key.
1, 2, 3, 4. Enter key. Okay. Oh, yes.
You will get the message or not?
Message?
I mean, you will get a value or
yes,
not?
Yes,
okay.
I got it.
Okay. We have another things to calculate percentage, because we have another formula also. You can type equal, select your this total number, this cell range, because this cell address name is G2. Divide by 500 and multiply by 100, and then close your bracket. We have another things, we have another formula of how to calculate percentage, and then press your enter key. You can see here, this is the same number, this is the same number of percentage, 47.4. Here you can just open this formula, G2 divided by 5, and here you can just click here. So you can see here again, because this is the large formula, this is the shortcut process. We can use both. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so now I'm going to discuss about VLOOKUP function formula in Excel. Okay. So now suppose that if we have a large data sheet, suppose if we have 500 students, 10,000 students in my Excel sheet, and my boss asked me, please share the details of the student name is Jatin, and how what is the total number of this student. Suppose that he asked me, and then I'm going to open my sheet and search the details of Jatin. So we don't have a only one Jatin student, because we have some duplicacy like Jatin Kumar, Jatin Sharma, Jatin Malhotra, like that. Suppose that there's a different student who belongs to the same name, or like Jatin. Okay, so in this situation we have some roll numbers, because roll number doesn't in roll number we have unique values always. Okay, yeah, I'm just coming. Yeah, what happened?
अरे वो भाई यार फिर से बंद नहीं हुई
Okay, so suppose that why we are using VLOOKUP function formula, because we have more students in this Excel sheet. We have only 4 students, so we don't use of VLOOKUP function formula. But in a real world, in a corporate company, suppose that if we have 100 people, if you have 5,000 students, 5,000 employees, and suddenly your boss will ask you the specific value. Okay, how many candidates how many candidates passed the particular value, like first division, how many students got second division, how many students got fail. As suppose that here is a student name. Okay, in this Excel sheet we will don't will I mean we don't need to use this formula if we have only this minimum data. We have only 4 candidates. Okay, so in this situation we don't want to we don't need to use this function formula, because we can easily find out these numbers. Okay, but suppose that if we have large data, because I'm going to scrolling my Excel sheet again and again, and some pain in my finger, we have more students. In this situation we can use VLOOKUP function formula. Okay, just type F5 function key and then type A1. Okay, are you there? Are you here?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to use this function formula. Name is Jatin. Okay, just copy this value and paste it here. It is not compulsory to copy this formula, because I'm just showing you, because we will get those numbers values. So it is very easy, it is very easy for you, and also to, yeah, these numbers belongs to this student. Okay, so now I'm going to find out what is the total marks of this student, Mr. Jatin. Okay, so I'm going to type a subject here, Hindi. Okay, sorry, not Hindi. I'm going to apply total marks. Yeah, so now I'm going to here type formula equal VLOOKUP. Okay, equal VLOOKUP. V means vertically and lookup means when you need to find things in a table or arrange by a row. VLOOKUP is a function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column to return a value from a different column in the same row. Okay, and also that allow users to search for a piece of information within a table or data set and extract corresponding data related to this sheet. Okay. So now I'm going to apply this function formula equal VLOOKUP. When you apply this formula, when you type this formula, you can see it will display a syntax. Just like as mathematics function for mathematics formula, we have some algorithms. So that's why we will get this type of syntax. Okay, equal VLOOKUP. Open your bracket, and the first syntax is lookup value. Okay, lookup value. So I'm going to select, in this situation, just select the name. Okay, and then press comma, and here the second second syntax is table array. So here I am going to select the range of my table. Okay, I'm going to select my all of the table, and now I'm going to press comma. We have third condition, that is column index number. Okay, so where is my total marks? You can see here our first column is student name and it will count by 1. Okay, second column is B, so it will count by number 2. The third column is English, the third column is C, so that's why it will count by number 3. This then 4, then 5, then 6, and then 7. So now I'm going to type the number is 7, and after that type comma and then press 0. Okay, and here I'm going to press enter key. We will get the answer 450. Okay, now I'm going to see where is 450. You can see here. So this student got this number 450. So this is the simple process of identify only a single value of any candidate. Suppose that if my boss asks me just tell me student name is Sandeep, and he will ask me for just merge the records of all the information. Okay. He will ask me for all the information of this student Sandeep. So in this situation, I'm going to use VLOOKUP with multiple criteria. Okay, so in this situation, do you have any doubt in this formula, simple VLOOKUP?
No.
Okay, so now I'm going to explain how we can use VLOOKUP with multiple criteria. So I'm just going to remove these values, and here I'm going to type a student name, and here I'm going to select the range because I'm going to apply all the values for like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that's why I'm going to select the 8 cells here. Okay, without selecting the cells, if I'll try to apply this formula, but it will not work because this is the first process, this is the first stage to apply.
Please wait, please wait.
Yeah.
Let me connect my battery.
Okay, no issue.
Okay. Yes, please continue.
Okay, so if you want to apply this formula, we look up with multiple criteria. So first of all, the first process is, the first step is that you can just select your cells. After that, you can just type the formula equal VLOOKUP and open your bracket. The first syntax is lookup value. Just select this cell because I'm going to search my data with the help of this lookup value, Sandeep. And then now I'm going to type comma. We can use VLOOKUP with multiple criteria. So in this situation, I'm going to just select my cell and lock this cell because without selection the lock, this formula will not work. Just select this cell and then press F4 function key. And after that, I'm going to select my table range. Just select your table. Okay, and after that again lock these cells, then select the cells and then press F4 function key with the help of keyboard. After that then press comma. We will go to use all of the information, so that's why VLOOKUP belongs to column value. I'm going to type columns. Okay, and then open your bracket. After that just select only two headings like student name and Hindi. I'm going to select both cells. Okay, and here I'm going to lock only this cell A1, not a B1 also. I'm just going to select A1 cell. Okay, any issue?
No, please go forward.
Okay, so just select this cell and press F4 function key and close your bracket, then press comma and then press 0 and then again close your bracket. I will not lock this cell because this cell name is B1. It will copy the formula in each and every cell individually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that's why I'll not go to lock this cell, because if I'm going to lock this cell our formula will not work. Okay, after that, after entering all the formulas, you can just press Ctrl key and hold this key and then press enter key. Okay, I'm just going to hold this key and the key name is Ctrl key. Just hold this key, Ctrl key, and then press enter key. Okay, what is the issue? Our formula it's not working. No issue, just check this formula equal VLOOKUP. Okay, then I'm going to open my bracket and the range is A8. Okay, A8. Okay. If I'm trying to type 5 and after that I'm going to press Ctrl key then press enter key. 79. Okay, it works. And after that, yeah, all of the numbers it's working. Okay, I think we have used another things because we use another things in this formula $A5. If I try to just select this cell, double quote, one second, in double quotes, then click here Sandeep. It's not working. I think I'm going to type a name Sandeep and after that apply formula. Yeah, it's working. You can use also the next method. Okay, if you find out the value with VLOOKUP function formula, we can select the cell and we can also type the content, type the name also. So when you use name, you can just define with double quotes because it's a string value. Okay, this is the another method. This is the second steps to use VLOOKUP function formula. We can also apply without this value. You can the very basic process is just select the cell like this. Okay, and lock the cell. So you can also use this process to get some results. Okay, this is the basic way, and we can also, you can just click this picture because it works for you. After that, just copy this formula and paste it here. We can also use another things, like I'm going to apply double quotes and type a name and close your double quote. We can use another process. Just press Ctrl plus Enter key. You can see here is a cell address, okay, and here is a text string. Both ways you can use VLOOKUP function formula. Okay, any doubt?
Yes, pretty.
The first question is why we are using VLOOKUP function formula. I have already told you, if you have large sheet in your Excel sheet, you can see here we have only 4 students record, 1 2 3 4. So in this situation we don't need to use VLOOKUP function formula. But in case if we have 10,000 students record, if we have lakhs of students, so in this situation we use this formula, VLOOKUP function formula. It will give the result just like something like 1 minute to 2 minutes. Okay, without use formula in Excel we will get problems, huge amount of problems, if we don't use a formula. Okay, equal VLOOKUP. V means vertically, lookup means what you are looking for a data. I'm going to, yeah, I'm looking for a data of Mr. Sandeep. This okay, and equal VLOOKUP bracket open. Okay, in this situation this is the formula of with VLOOKUP with multiple criteria, because I'm going to explain how to calculate, how to search record of any student with all information, not only a single cell data. I'm going to getting all of the records. Okay, first of all you'll have to practice, you will have to do practice with simple VLOOKUP formula. Not, you are just not focus on a complicated formulas. You can just type, you can just practice with simple VLOOKUP formula, then it will beneficial for you. Then after that you can practice with this formula. Okay, because in my struggle time I also failed many times, but YouTube Jindabad. In this situation I used these formulas and lock these cells. Equal VLOOKUP bracket open. You can see here again, I'm going to explain this. Sometimes
yes, the main thing is that you lock the bracket, and
yeah,
then some, there are in some I think in some you did not lock some. Then that is very confusing. Why it's locking and why it's not locking?
because if we not lock the cell, it will automatically skip the value.
Okay, so
So
whenever
yeah,
we use VLOOKUP, it means we need to, it's necessary to lock the value.
yeah,
We need to lock it.
yeah, it is really necessary for lock the cells, because if we are not,
Okay.
if we're not going to lock the cell, after that it will give the result in a different values.
Okay, okay.
Suppose
So
that
whenever,
if I
okay.
if I need to, if I want to check the value of this 85 and suddenly it will get a value of 12, so so this situation we used we log the cell. Equal
Okay,
VLOOKUP, open your bracket, the first syntax is lookup value, and here I'm here suppose that the third student name is Suresh.
Suresh.
Okay, so now I'm going to explain simple VLOOKUP formula, because if you are trying to simple VLOOKUP formula and after that if you are trying to VLOOKUP multiple formula, then back formulas you will forget.
Yeah, okay.
So now again I'm going to explain simple VLOOKUP function formula. Don't worry, all of the formula will be easy when you try practice.
Okay.
Equal VLOOKUP, open your bracket, A3. A3 means this name, Suresh.
Yes.
This is our lookup value. Okay. Then press comma. After that, the second syntax is table array. In table array, we always select the table. Okay, we always select the table, but suppose that you have 100 of peoples of data, you have lakhs of students of data. So at that time, how you will select the records? So in this situation, you can just move your cursor from the A1 cell address, and after that, then press Control key, then hold this key, Control key, then press Shift key and hold Shift key. Okay, I am pressing both the button, Control key and Shift key. And after that, in your keyboard, you can just see here cursor movement key, left, right, top, bottom. I want to select the range from left to right. So I'm going to press right arrow key. Okay, upper, left, top, bottom. So that's why I'm going to I'm going to press right arrow key. You can see here it will select all the records, and if I want to select the range from top to bottom, okay, from top to bottom like that, suppose that if I have 100 peoples of records, so just press bottom arrow key. Down arrow key means when you press here, you can see here it will directly select all the range, because it will not check the empty values. It works only with it will count the records with some content. It will, if you have some blank cells, then VLOOKUP function formula not working, and also not working pivot table. Okay, so this is the another method to select the range, select the all range in your VLOOKUP function formula. Now I'm going to type comma, and after that column index number. Suppose that I'm going to search records of Suresh. What is the division of Suresh? Okay, so you can just count the columns, okay, with the help of column index number. The first column is A1, okay, the second column is B1, then the third column is C1, fourth column is D, fifth column is E, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, any issue?
No, please go ahead.
Okay, so I'm going to type 9. Okay, because the division column is from 9. Column index number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And after that I'm going to type comma. And after that we have two argument is range lookup, true and false. Okay, then press 0. Okay, then close your bracket and then press enter key. So you can see here second. Just a minute, I'm going to remove these values because it will confuse for me and also you. Yeah, second. Who got second division? Suresh. Here is a name is Suresh and here is the value of second. Okay, this is the second value. So this is the simple VLOOKUP function formula. Okay, you can just practice with a very simple process, not getting a confusion and not a complicated situation, because if you are just focusing, you can just you can just use first step, second step, third step, then it will works for you. This is the process of simple VLOOKUP function formula. Any problems you can ask me.
It's okay, you can go ahead.
Okay, so now I'm going to use conditional formatting. Okay, conditional formatting. Why we are using conditional formatting? Because if I want to find out some records, suppose that like all of the students who got first division, who got fail, and conditional formatting, I think yeah, conditional formatting makes it easy to highlight certain values or make particular cells easy to identify. Okay, this changes the appearance of a cell range based on a condition or criteria. We can use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain values which meet a certain condition. Okay, how we can use conditional formatting? You can just see here. We have conditional formatting works when you have a duplicate values, when you have same type of data. Okay, I'm going to you can just see here these numbers, I think these numbers is not repeating. All of the numbers here, you can see here all of the unique values. Suppose that if I have the same values, suppose that here I am going to a number like 1 2, okay, and here I am going to type a value 1 2. Okay, just select the range and then in home tab, then go to conditional formatting and go to highlight cells rules. When you click, when you just hover this cursor key here, you can see it will display a drop down list. I want to check in this situation how many student will how many student failed. Okay, minimum passing marks is 30. Okay, each and every subject, I think you can know. Passing marks is 30, and I'm just apply this value less than. Okay, here I'm going to apply value, just type 30. Okay, here I'm going to type only this number 30. How many students failed any subject? Okay, just like cross back. Okay, you can see here this student name is Ankit. He failed in English, he failed in science. Okay, any problem?
No, please go ahead.
Yeah, just here I'm comparing records, records less than 30. Okay, and here we can select the formatting color. Light red means it's the danger zone, it's the warning, because if someone failed in any subject, so it will study for a 1 year also. Okay, so this student got 2 subject failed values in English and science, and then press OK. So very easy way we can use conditional formatting. Suppose that if we have 1000 students and then I want to check how many students failed without conditional formatting formula, so it is very difficult for us, because I will count the values, I will check the one and each every student's record, and then it will I will work for a long time in this situation. Like if I use this sheet from morning and after that from night I will check this sheet again and again, because if I'm not using conditional formatting, so okay, you can see also here a message: easily spot trends and patterns in your data using bars, colors and icons to visually highlight important values. So now you can see here we also get it, we also highlight these values with the help of condition. What is my condition? My condition is, if the students failed and the passing marks is 30, you can just see here passing marks is 30. When I type here 30, okay, so less than 30, you can just see here this number 24. Suresh also failed in English, Jatin also failed in English. Okay, yeah. Any problem in this conditional formatting?
No.
Okay, just if I want to check how many students got after 60 marks, that means 60. So just select the range and then go to conditional formatting and then go to highlight cells rules, and after that just click here greater than, and here I am going to type a number after 60 and just change your color. I am going to select green color and then click OK. You can see here after 60, 85 is greater than 60, 90 is also greater than 60, all these numbers are greater than 60, here is also greater than 60. So you can just check the condition, because conditional formatting very easy for us to identify the records. So that's why we are using conditional formatting, because actually in conditional formatting we only works with colors, depends on condition. If the student got failed each and every subject, not every subject, it's a very difficult for a student. If the student failed in a 1 subject, in a 2 subject, in a 3 subject, we will very easy to just change the cell color. Okay, any problem here?
No problem. What
Okay.
you want to what you're saying is that, like, here 50-60 students are there, and then you want to check it who was failed and who passing. In that case, we will go to the condition formatting
With colors.
and type them with the numbers, because the pass mark will be like, okay, 40, 50. In that case, it will, using condition formatting, will show the whose mark is higher and whose mark is lower, the how to say, the passing mark, right?
Yeah.
That's what. Yeah.
Suppose that if I want to check how many candidates passed with first division, if I have 500 students record in my Excel sheet, so it is very difficult for us to scrolling to check one and every cells.
Yes.
Like this, suppose that Sandeep got first division, Jatin got first division. I want to highlight only first division records, not all the records. Okay, just select this range. We have only 4 students records, so I am going to select these cells, and after that I am going to click here conditional formatting. After that I am going to select here this. Okay, I want to check now. I'm going to check alphabetical values, not a number. I'm going to check a string values. So just select the range and go to conditional formatting, then go to highlight cells rules, and after that you can just click here text that contains. Okay, just click here, and here you can type the alphabetical value like first. When I click here, just formatting this color and then click OK, you can see only both these cells are highlighted with yellow color, because it matches the condition.
Yes.
I selected all the cell, but it works with only 2 cells because it meet the condition. Okay. And after that I am going to use again conditional formatting. Okay, highlight cells rules. Between means we have 2 conditions. First of all, I am going to select the range. If you are using again any condition, so first of all you will have to clear the rules, because I've already used these rules here, and here also. So now I am going to clear the rules. After that I am going to apply formula between. In between we have 2 conditions. I am going to click here general, not a general, sorry. I am going to click here conditional formatting, then go to clear rules. Here we have 2 options, clear rules from selected cells, because I already select this range. Then the next option is clear rules from entire sheet, because if you have a large students records, then you can click here clear rules from entire sheet. If you applied in entire sheet, then you can use this option. But in this case, we only select this range. So that's why we are going to clear rules from selected cells. Okay. Now I am going to select the cells again. After that go to conditional formatting. After that go to highlight cells rules. After that I am going to use this option between. Here I am going to giving some range like this. Suppose that if I want to check how many student got numbers 50 to 70, like this, 50 to 70. Okay, and here I am going to select the color 50 to 70, starting from 50 and ending to 70. Okay, then click OK. You can see here only 2 cells are highlighted. The reason is that I applied conditional formatting with the between rules. In between we have only 2 conditions, from minimum to maximum, after 50 and before 70. Okay, we can again apply this formula, then click here between, and after that I'm going to apply, like suppose that 30 to 90. Okay, you can see here I already applied this number, but it's not working because again I am going to remove the clear rules. When you apply formula again after formatting, you will always clear the rules. Go to conditional formatting, then go to clear rules, and then go to clear rules from selected cells. After that, select the range, go to conditional formatting, then go to highlight cells rules and click here. Third option is between. Here I am going to apply the value like this, 30 to 90. After 30 and before 90, you can see here only those type of numbers will be highlight who will meet these conditions. Okay, you can just click here. Okay, you can see here only those type of numbers will be highlighted. Okay, because it match the condition. It match the condition. Again this match the condition, this match the condition. It is very easy when you do practice again and again. Okay, because Excel is a very interesting topic in every schools, every companies, corporate companies, school, college, because business are different, but the works, all the works are same because the formula function are same. Yeah, just give me 1 minute.
Yes.
I'm going to washroom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, hello.
Yes,
So after that, I'm going to again click here conditional formatting, go to highlight
mhm.
sales rules, and here we have the fourth option is equal to. Suppose that if the student got equal marks, suppose that Ankit got 85, okay,
Mhm.
Jatin also get 85,
Mhm.
and now I'm going to explain how to use this option. First of all, I'm going to clear rules from selected cell, and now I'm going to here click here conditional formatting. After that, the fourth option is equal to. Here I'm going to type the number 85. It will check the equal values. It is just like as duplication. Okay, this student got 85, this student also got 85. If we
Mhm.
have 500 students, and in 500 students how many students got equal numbers, so we can easily identify. If you are going to find manually, then we will finding the data like this essay.
Yes.
Yeah, so if you are trying to these features, we will work very easy way. Again, I'm going to click here conditional formatting, then go to highlight sales rules, and here I am going to use this option text that contains. Okay, if we are trying to highlight only alphabetical values, okay, like this. If we have same name like here, and here if we are trying to highlight the text, how many times the same name will use in our Excel sheet. Just select the this just select the this you can just select the all columns also here. Go to conditional formatting, then go to highlight sales rules, and then go to text that contains. You can see here we have only we have two values, we have two duplicate values, Ankit. Then click OK. We can easily find out the same type of data. Okay, and after that, a date occurring. In this option, suppose that I'm going to give date here, Control Shift plus, and just click here entire column, then click OK. Here I'm going to type a date. Suppose that I'm going to type a date like 10/01/2024. Okay.
Oh, how do you get that new cell from the left side?
It's a shortcut key.
Mm-hmm.
When you insert a column, when you insert a row, suppose
Uh,
that after total,
uh,
I want to insert a column, and the column name is grade. Suppose that. So just press Control key, then hold this Control key, then press Shift key, and again hold this Shift key. And after that, then in your keyboard, just press plus button. When you click here, it will display a small dialog box. Just click here entire column, then click OK. You can see here we will get a blank column, and okay, actually it will insert a column.
mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So what is that? You already give me that formula.
yeah. No. In Excel, we have different types of formula. In MS Word, some features are matched, but sometimes we have different formulas in Excel. I will also send it.
Okay.
Okay, so you can just do practice, and I will send you this clip. Do practice, and after that we will connect tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, are you coming to tomorrow?
No. Tomorrow I have flight.
Oh my God. So where will you come here after Hong Kong?
I will come back on Monday. So Monday, maybe Monday and Tuesday. I'm not sure whether I can come on Monday
Okay.
or Tuesday. I'm not sure, but yes, from Wednesday
Yeah.
I will come. But I will update you when I will come.
Okay, okay. Because if I have any student who will join from the evening class, so
Mhm.
I will I will I will take online class also if you have time.
Yes, yes, but I
Yeah,
think this time, well, I will be out, so at that time
I
I
know.
don't think I can take an online class. But
Yeah.
after I come back, if I couldn't able to come, then yes, I will let you know. Then we can attend, we can make some time for that, if
Okay,
you are
okay.
okay.
Okay, no, sure. Thank you. We will
Thank
connect.
you so much.
Yeah, we will
Thank you
connect
so
very
much.
soon.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Yeah, thank
Happy
you.
Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Yeah, thank you.